Welcome to John 3:16 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. In today's video, we will be replacing a headlight bulb. Open the car hood and locate the headlight bulb socket. After that, turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull the bulb socket out to gain access to the bulb. After that, push the socket clip down to remove the bulb. Ensure you have purchased the correct replacement bulb for your vehicle. The H11 bulb is the correct bulb for this vehicle. Install the new bulb. Test the new bulb to ensure the new bulb is working. Do this by turning on the headlight. Turn the light off and install the socket. To do this, insert the socket and twist it clockwise. Congratulations, you have completed the headlight replacement. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.